first finger, you can push them together. Usually follow. I shouldn't do this slowly. I'm always trying to show people it goes wrong. It's normal speed. Normal speed, it goes wrong. Yeah. The more chips you do it with, the harder it gets. So that's 6 on each side. Maybe I should use different coloured chips. Do you see what's actually happening? They're interleaving, like one on top of the other. That's called the shuffle. Next thing, if you have, say, 3 chips on each side, it's called the pickover. What you're doing is lifting these 3, the top 3, and sort of throwing them down. And then your other finger and thumb pushing down with the thumb, lifting with the finger, and dragging the other chips back. So you're sort of doing a little dance with it. That's called the pickover. Next trick you want to deal with is called the Mexican jumping chip. Start with 5 on each side, and then take this stack. Oh, you need another one here, and put this one sort of leaning off the edge of this thing. So you're going to get this one where you stay there, and then you're going to clip it downwards and flick it onto there. It's not very exciting, it's not very practical, but it's worth knowing. Next thing is the 4-wing butterfly. Start with 4 chips, and then hold them like you would the thumb roll or the twirl, and then the bottom 2 chips are going to go that way, and the top 2 chips are going to go that way, like that. Then you're going to do a little shuffle with the little finger and the 3rd finger, so that you can bring your finger through. That's the difficult bit. Go from there to there. Once your finger's through, close up, and then use the finger to fan the other chips. So you get something that looks like that. Then close them up by reversing it. Shuffle them all together, and you're back with 4. The 4-wing butterfly. It's quite a tricky trick, but it's worth practicing. Again, start with 4, 2 up, shuffle the other 2 over, bring the finger through, use the back of the finger to fan the top and the bottom one, because I'm fanning the top chip on the right hand side and the bottom chip on the left hand side. Okay, next trick is called the knuckle roll. Yeah, it's quite a simple one. What you're doing is just dropping the chip onto here, and then letting the pad of the next finger catch it. I'm a bit extended here. It's again not very practical, but it looks quite nice. Sorry about the video, I can't move the camera really while I'm doing this. But that's the knuckle roll. Just put it over on top of your finger, get used to sort of balancing it there. And use the pad of the finger to flick it across. And that's the knuckle roll. Next one's called the scoop. You need about that many. And then take the end chip, put it in your hand like that. So it's balanced in your hand, but it's sticking up. And you can use this as an edge to catch the front of this and scoop them. So you take that, put it there. Oh, so that's still doing that. And that's called the scoop. Next trick is the race car. You need 5 for this one. 2 together, 1 on this side, 1 on this side, till you end up with that. Then hold it in your hand so your little finger blocks it. Put this one on top in the gap, and you've got a sort of structure. Now if you hit this top one, the chip flies that way. The harder you hit it, the faster it goes. And that's called the race car. And I'm doing more chip tricks, card tricks, later on. Practice that one. Start with that. And once you get good, move on to the 4-wing butterfly.